Hello friends and welcome to my channel. We are having so much rain here in Bulawayo. I'm enjoying it. Rainy Januaries in Bulawayo can be a blessing and a test. Water can pull and sometimes it pulls real badly. And these few trouble spots, I need to deal with them. This water against the cottage needs to be redirected somehow. It's pulling, yes, I know it's getting out over there, but there's still a lot of pulling that I think it needs a channeling somehow. Right here too, it's going in that direction, so there needs to be a gap there, an opening to let the water continuously flow. Over here, it's also pulling, it's all cemented down, but right in that corner there, I think there needs to be a channel to allow it to go. I'm looking out through the window and the garden feels closer than usual, as if the rain has pulled everything towards the house. The rain is steady now. It feels unhurried, the kind that settles in rather than passes through. The succulents look like they're just sitting there quietly. The rain has deepened the color of the grass. My eye is just drawn towards the beauty of this garden at this time of the year. The sound of the rain on the leaves is soft, and on the roof it sounds like music to my ears. Everything is calm. Even the air feels calm. My eye is drawn upwards to the gutter. Water is spilling where it shouldn't. It's pouring freely, missing its chance to be guided and kept. I feel it's like I am being wasteful. There is so much water, so much precious water, just rushing away. I have to fix this. I know I have to fix this. I'm frustrated about it, but I know it's something that I have to work on. That's another small project that I have to work on. So I'm just gonna sit here for a little while, just watching the rain falling, just watching these plants thriving. I enjoy this time, this precious time, when I get to sit and just observe the beauty of nature. So, going back to work? No, sir, no, ma'am, not for me. I can't resist going outside. The rain has stopped for some hours now, and the walkways are dry. So I want to go outside to visit the flowers. Come with me. Oh, do you see what I see outside? Yep, the birds are celebrating. This is feeding time, when the ground offers everything. So they are out there getting what they are getting from nature, provided by the fall of the rains. It's beautiful to watch. So come out with me and let's go see what nature has in store for us. I can't wait to feel and touch these beautiful flowers. The dogs, they have decided to come and join me too. Oh man, I have company. The garden isn't just a garden, it's a small, perfectly working ecosystem. I'm lucky enough to be standing inside it. And if you are here long enough in the garden, you will notice something else appear. After the rains, all you need is patience and you will be rewarded. So, what do I get to see in this garden? It feels like all the flowers are saying hello. Look at this beautiful bromeliad. It is showing off its beauty. And as I walk down towards the bicycle, something catches my eye. What do I see down there? Yes, it's a frog. It's by the bicycle, just hanging out. It's listening, sensing vibrations, deciding whether today is for hunting or resting. And my eye also catches something. From the corner of my eye, I see, yep, it's a snail. It's recoiled into its shell, trying to protect itself because it also senses the vibrations. Wow, nature, it gives and gives and gives. I also know that down below, beneath the obvious beauty, there is a slow, secret world moving. Earthworms just under the surface is loosening the soil like the silent gardener, and the ants rebuilding their routes washed away carrying tiny crumbs to the world. Yep, it is beautiful. And now let's go and check the grapevine. It looks so confident. It doesn't look like it's hesitating to grow anymore. There are clusters of grapes. They look swollen and heavy. They are tugging gently at the vine, and they look like they're just ready for me to eat. The vine has done exactly what it promised. It has given us so much fruit. I'm so happy. And then, of course, there is the mutowe, uqau, the tree that has carried a different kind of abundance. When it flowered, it didn't do it shyly. It declared itself. Full, vigorous. Flowering means the fruits are going to be there this season. Later in the year, there will be that familiar sweetness, the kind that makes your heart melt. Gardening is a gentle gift you can give yourself in life, especially in your senior years. It doesn't rush you. It meets you where you are. A few minutes with soil between your fingers, watching the plants grow because you cared for them. You have that quietness in the mind in ways little else can. Gardening gives purpose to the day. You move your body, you calm the heart, all without pressure. It keeps you connected to nature and the seasons. It keeps you connected to the memory of how things used to grow. It makes you patient, it gives you hope, and gives you small daily joys. You don't need a big yard or heavy work. A few pots, a corner ground, a tree that you will tend. That's enough. Plants don't judge you. They don't judge your speed or your strength. They respond to consistency and care. In the garden, you are never idle. You are nurturing yourself. And in return, the garden quietly nurtures you. And that's where we'll end today's little walk through the garden. Thank you so much for spending this quiet time with me. Gardens are never really finished, they just keep changing, and that's what makes coming back so special. I hope this visit gave you a bit of calm, a bit of inspiration, or maybe even the nudge to step outside and look at your own space a little more closely. Thank you for watching, for listening, and for being there. I would love you to join me the next time right here in some part of this garden. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Till the next time, it's bye for now.